Here we go, peoples. Round two, round two. Trying to kick my ass in this one. I got him a little bit, but he kind of kicked my ass in this one. Here we go, round two, round two. Let's see what's popping. Oh, he's already shooting at me. Cheesy bastard. Where you at? I got it already. Good, stick your head out. Hit! He got me, he got me. He got me. Oh. He's trying to try. Oh, hit! Oh shit. Yo, this shit's hurt, man. Serious. This is no joke. What happened? Did it hurt? Oh, hit! Oh, shit! Oh. Hit! Got him in the nuts. Look at him over there bending down. You see him? That's him right there. That's him right there. Look at him. Oh shit. I got him right in the nuts, right in the nuts. Oh shit. Alright, yo. We're gonna take a break and we might come back later on today or maybe tomorrow, alright? Later.